Mendel's experiment, true breeding pea lines were obtained by continuous self-pollination for several generations, and 14 true breeding pea lines were selected as pair, which were similar except for one character with contrasting traits. So why did Mendel selected pea plant only and not any other plant? Let us see the reason. In the pea plant, pure variety are available. Pea plants are easy to cultivate. Life cycle of these plants are only few months, and so we can get the results very quickly. The contrasting characters are observed in the pea plants. Flowers can be cross-pollinated only manually. Flowers are bisexual and normally self-pollinated, and hybrids are fertile in the pea plants. So Mendel selected the pea plant because of these reasons. Now let us see the steps in making a cross in a pea plant. First step is selection of two pea plants with contrasting characters. Second is the removal of anther, which is called as the emasculation of one plant to avoid self-pollination. Hence, it will become the female parent because we removed the anther, so the male parent is removed. Third step is collection of pollen grains from other male parent, and it is transferred to the female parent, which is also called as pollination. And fourth step is collection and germination of seeds to produce offspring. See this diagram for the steps of cross-pollination in pea plant. Here they have done the emasculation, and then the pollination occurred, and then finally the flower, the seeds were produced.